These are 10 fascinating facts about Surah Al Anfal. This surah, named after the term for spoils of war, holds a pivotal place in Islamic teachings. It addresses the themes of faith, divine assistance, and the responsibilities of the Muslim community. Through its verses, Al Anfal unveils profound lessons about unity and the importance of trust in Allah. Its reflections resonate deeply with believers, inspiring both spiritual and moral growth. Fact 11. Divine assistance. This refers to verse 10. And remember when your Lord inspired the angels. Indeed, I am with you, so strengthen those who have believed. This verse emphasizes Allah's unwavering support. It reassures believers during challenging times. The angel's presence symbolizes divine aid. Trusting in Allah's guidance fosters resilience. In every struggle, Allah is indeed ever present. Fact 2. The importance of unity. Al Anfal highlights the significance of unity within the Muslim community. This unity is essential for strength and success. Divisions weaken the collective spirit. Cohesion brings about divine support. Together, believers can overcome any obstacle. Fact 3. The concept of the spoils. The surah discusses the distribution of war gains, guiding ethical practices. This allocation fosters a sense of justice and responsibility. It teaches the importance of using resources wisely for the community. Fact 4. Faith tested. This refers to verse 26. And remember when you were few and oppressed in the land. This verse serves as a reminder of past struggles. It teaches that trials are often catalysts for growth. Faith can be fortified through perseverance. Fact 5. Spiritual accountability. Al Anfal emphasizes personal responsibility in faith. Each believer is accountable for their actions. This mindfulness leads to a more profound spiritual connection. Awareness encourages a life aligned with divine guidance. Fact 6. The role of leadership. Effective leadership is a recurring theme in Al Anfal. Leaders are entrusted with upholding justice and faith. Their decisions impact the community and its faith. Good leadership fosters trust and unity. Fact 7. The power of prayer. The importance of prayer during hardship is evident in the surah. It acts as a lifeline, connecting believers to Allah. Prayer reinforces hope and resilience in the face of adversity. It is a source of strength for the faithful. Guidance through conflict. Al Anfal provides insights on navigating conflicts. It teaches that wisdom and patience are paramount. Resolution rooted in faith cultivates peace. Engaging with compassion transforms enmity into understanding. Fact 9. Remembering divine favor. The surah calls believers to reflect on Allah's blessings. Gratitude strengthens one's relationship with the Creator. Acknowledging favor fuels motivation for righteousness. Thankfulness is a pathway to deeper faith. Fact 10. The promise of victory. This refers to verse 7. And remember, when Allah promised you one of the two groups. This verse encapsulates Allah's promises to His believers. Victory is assured for those who uphold their faith. It inspires hope amidst uncertainties. Belief in divine assistance is a source of invincible courage. Reflecting on Surah Al Anfal invites us to explore the profound dynamics of community, faith, and reliance on Allah. The surah's narratives equip us with wisdom during trials. It reassures that trust in Allah transforms fear into courage. The structure of unity and shared purpose enhances spiritual growth. Every verse encourages believers to deepen their faith and foster communal bonds, inspiring all, regardless of the background, to pursue integrity and compassion.